Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find a lost iPhone XR using Find My iPhone. Okay, so on the right side I have my iPhone XR. But first we need to make sure that in the settings and in the Apple account under Find My, we have enabled Find My iPhone option right in here. Make sure that it's enabled right in here. You can also read what this option does. Locate, lock or erase this device and supported accessories. This device cannot be erased and reactivated without your password. Also, if you click on this blue About Find My and Privacy, you can read more information about it. Below we have option to Find My network. Participating in the Find My network lets you locate this iPhone even when it's offline. And below we have option to send last location, automatically send the location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. You can enable all of those options if you want, but make sure that Find My iPhone is enabled. It is crucial. Okay, so we can use other device or we can do it using the web. So on the left side I have my other iPhone. Simply click on Find My, and here you need to be logged in with the same Apple ID to perform that action. So we have our iPhone in here. We can also play the sound when it's close. Also under the lost mode we can mark this iPhone as lost. So basically it locks the phone and displays a message with your contact info. And below there's also a option to erase this device, but you should use it when you believe it's permanently lost or stolen. And also you can use the web to it. So just give me a second, I need to log in the search bar, type iCloud. Oh, my bad. iCloud.com/find. Then open up. Oh, something went wrong. I can click on retry. Okay, it's unreachable. I don't know why, so let's try again maybe. It doesn't want to work. I don't know why, but okay, temporarily it doesn't want to work. But basically, in here you need to log in using your Apple ID, and you have the same options, just like in here on from the level of the app. It looks exactly the same. Okay. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.